Hello guys, I hope you're doing well this season. Today we're going to be creating a astronomical unit to kilometer converter. So guys, astronomical unit is basically a unit to measure lengths inside our solar system. So it's basically like the distance from the earth to the sun, from earth to the sun. That's mostly measured using astronomical units. So that's why we're going to be creating a astronomical unit into km, because nobody would want to convert km into AU but would want to convert AU into km. So guys, let's get started with this video. Let's show you the preview of this amazing video. Let's run it. I was doing something else, that's why something like that was happening. That syntax error, my bad. Enter the number of AU you want to convert. Supposing I want to convert 1 AU into kilometer, it's the AU into kilometer is equal to this. So guys, let's match this. It's over here. I'm gonna be using Universe Today for it. Universe Today is a website about universe, as the name suggests. So basically it's 149598000, and in our case also it's 149598000. So it's actually very much correct, guys. So over here, enter the number of AU you want to convert and the AU into kilometer. So basically if we write bigger one, 2, so it's basically this. So basically what did we do? We actually just multiplied 2 by 149598000. So let's use a calculator to find out, because we can't just go roaming around the Google search engine, because Google is giving it in E plus 8. That's the problem, and it's difficult to convert it to actual numbers. That's why. So guys, over here let's write 149598149598000 into 2. It's 299196000. So it's basically 299196000, which when you match is actually correct, as you can see. So guys, very good. Let's start by clicking over here to create a new file. We're gonna be saving it as AUKMC. AUKMC. So let's start Welcomingo. Oh yeah. Where we're just gonna be printing, hello, welcome to the AUKMC. OKMC. That's such a weird name. OKMC. Okay, so over here let's write Conversiono. That's gonna be the conversion, by the way. Okay, I love these funky names. Let's over here simply write AU is equals to, that's basically what 1 AU is equal to. It's like the input that our user would give us. Let's write input, and that should be a integer. So let's put it inside our int class, and over here let's write enter your astronomical unit to convert to kilometers. Okay, simply let's just write this much, and then the kilometer is gonna be equal to this. Let's copy this. It's basically 1495600. No, that's wrong. No, that's actually wrong. Yep, it's 9800. It's basically 149598000. Okay, so it's correct. Now we want to print out. Before that, let's create a new variable. that variable is gonna be AUKMC result. AUKMC. Before it was AUKMC. Now it's AUKMC. Let's write is equals to AUKMC is equals to the AU multiplied by the KM. Okay, so now basically let's just simply print out. There is just one error. There is just one problem. Okay, that's not an error, but we are just gonna be printing some blank prints to make everything look amazing. Okay, so over here also we're gonna be printing something blank, and then we're gonna be writing print the astronomical unit convertido to kmo, kilometer, is equal to what? Now you just write a comma and end is equals to this. Okay, what this would do, whatever we'll print after this statement is gonna be over here. Supposing we write print AUKMC. Okay, so now when we'll save it, it's gonna print AUKMC. It's connecting. 1 second would take it. It would take 1 second. Okay, my Spyder IDE stopped responding. I don't know what's the problem. It sometimes does. As you can see, it's all white and nothing is working. I have to give it time, guys. And now it's done. This is what happens with it. Now also it's not working. See? Now also it's not working. So guys, my Spyder IDE is gone haywire. It's not responding at all. Everything in my laptop is not responding except this. Okay, so I got the information about my bad, about 1 AU in kilometer without that plus E8 or anything like that sign from the universe today. You can just add this website. You can just see this website. You'll get amazing information about space. So it's pretty helpful. Okay, so okay, thank God it's run. I'm really sorry, guys. I thank God it ran. Enter astronomical unit to convert to kilometer. Supposing I write 1, the astronomical unit converted over to kilometer is 1495980, which is actually correct, as you can see. Now let's take a bigger number. Supposing we take 1000. Oh, bam! This is so good. Okay, and over here we can one more write end is equals to this, and then we can simply print out km and with a space at the over here. Now when we'll try it again, it's like this. Okay, so let's see that inside our calculator. Let's go to the calculator. Let's press C to make it all gone. Let's write 14. What's that? Okay, I'm gonna copy paste it. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste it. It's like 1495980 multiplied by 12, because that's the whole thing. And over here it's like 179517600, which is actually correct. 179517600, and you have the astronomical unit to kilometer converter, guys. You have the AUKMC. Okay, guys, see you in the next video tutorial. Let's go through the whole code again, and then in the next video we're going to be creating a random pin generator. So the Welcomingo, the section Welcomingo would be printing hello welcome to the AUKMC, and then is gonna be printing a blank print so that we have the space in between them, or else it would look very bad. Then is the Conversiono over here. Let's talk about the Conversiono section. Over here, AU is equals to an int. It just tells that the input is a number, because whatever the user is writing in a number, because officially it's stored as a string and we can't do operations on strings like this. So int basically telling that our input is going to be a number or an integer. Over here it's gonna be letting us write something, and before that it's gonna write this. Okay, it's gonna write this and then it's gonna let us write something like that. Okay, then we're gonna be making one more variable. That would be equal to 149598000, and then we're gonna be creating a new variable AUKMC, which is gonna be equal to the AU input multiplied by this km kilometer. Okay, then it's gonna be printing a blank print so that we have this space in between, and then it's gonna print the astronomical unit converted to kilometer is equals to, and then we're gonna be writing this end so that whatever we're writing at the next line, whatever print function we're writing at the next line is gonna be written over here, and then without converting this into a string we can write it over here, and then where one more time it would print AUKMC variable over here, and then it's gonna be writing end is equals to this again, so that the kilometer sign is over there, and basically that's that. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm really looking forward to your replies on the text adventure game project which I assigned you all, and I'm really looking forward to your replies on your recommended IDE for Python, and coming up with the next video tutorial how to create a random pin generator. We actually created it in JavaScript, but we're gonna be creating it in Python again. So see you, baby.